This is our version of the Japanese soufflé pancake. You start with your eggs, milk, vanilla extract, whisk those together until the milk and eggs get a little frothy, and then you're gonna sift in your baking powder and your flour and just lightly mix that until it fully comes together. You don't wanna overmix and overwork the gluten. Whisk the egg whites until they become frothy. Mix in your sugar 1/3 part at a time until you're fully incorporated, and then continue whisking until you are at medium to stiff peaks. Fold in the meringue into the egg flour mixture 1/3 at a time, slowly, so you don't collapse the egg whites. Place your mold either in a nonstick pan or on a flat top grill with a little bit of light oil. Pour in your batter and then add steam. Cover it, wait about 30 seconds, and add just one more spoonful of batter on top. You're gonna cover it and steam it one more time, letting it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Flip it over and just brown the other side with a little bit more steam for about 1 to 2 minutes. We top our pancake with a roasted banana mousse, a little bit of 5-year brown rice vinegar, and half an ounce of caviar.